democracy, not my fall from grace. I blind my eyes, I hide a feeling passing me by. I